Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to make a quick video, a short one, and I just want to share a quick experiment I wanted to make here in my lowest calorie kitchen. I received a comment in one of my oldest videos regarding almond milk. I mentioned how almond milk is 4 times as expensive as regular milk in my country, and the user suggested I make a homemade version instead because maybe it'll be cheaper. Well, that's not the case because the price for almond milk here is because the price of almonds is so high. So if I buy almond milk or almonds, it's the same thing, only I have to work for it. But I'm doing this because this shit really tastes bad, man. I don't know if this is how almond milk tastes in your country. I'm not sure how you can drink this because it just tastes like you washed a bunch of almonds and drank what's left. It's really bad. So I'm curious now. I just wanted to see if homemade almond milk is just as bad as the store-bought one. So let's see. Let's make some homemade almond milk. Okay, so what I have here is 1 cup or 140 grams of raw almonds which have been soaking overnight. I have drained them and washed them of all the yucky water that's left behind. So make sure you get raw almonds and not the roasted and salted kind, and soak them overnight. It's a really important step. We'll be adding them to the Ninja blender all at once, and we'll be adding 1 liter plain ass tap water. We'll add a bit of vanilla extract and just a bit of sweetener. Not too much. Just put on the lid and fire it up. Okay, that seems to be done. It's been blending for 2 minutes. Now all we need to do is drain this through a sieve. That should do it. Great. Put this away. I'm gonna pass this through the sieve again just to be sure that everything is out of the way. I hope I can avoid making a mess. And I made a bit of a mess, but as you can see, there's still some left behind, so passing this again through the sieve was a good decision. And here we have our homemade almond milk. Let's just pull up a chair and make a quick taste test. So here we go, taste test time. Let's see, how does the homemade almond milk compare to the piece of shit store-bought almond milk that I know tastes like crap, man. This really tastes awful. Even looks crappy. Look at that consistency. Makes me gag just looking at it. Okay, let's see. There's a more watery consistency. It's not that creamy as the store-bought one. The homemade is whiter in color, seems more watered down. But this has thickening agents in it and other bullshit. Let's see. A lot of gums, Caruba gum, Gelanga, what the heck? And a whole bunch of chemicals I can't even pronounce. It's full of crap, man. There's a lot of ingredients here besides water and almonds. There's a list of about 6 different chemicals here. Damn. Just as a quick note, the difference between almond milk and the skimmed milk I buy here is 7 calories per 100 mils. So for 7 calories, this costs 4 times the price. This as well. 4 times the price of regular ass skim milk. right out of the bat, even if I do like this, for me 7 calories is not so much of a big deal, so I can pay 4 times the price just for 7 calories. Fuck that. So let's make this taste test, shall we? Let's see if the homemade version is better than this piece of shit store-bought version. I'll go with this one first because I already know it, I know how it tastes. Like washed up almonds. It's exactly that taste, man. Like you wash a bunch of almonds and drink the water that's left behind. If this is what that tastes, I can't understand how you guys can drink this almond juice. Because you can't call this milk. Because there's no almond theory, is there? That just tastes watered down. It's just flavored water. Can't sense any almonds here. The store-bought one at least tastes a bit like almonds, and it's thicker due to the xanthan gum and whatnot. But none of these two resemble anything in the same area code as milk. No, homemade almond milk is not better than store-bought milk, and I hate store-bought almond milk, so I'll remain to the regular old ass cow milk. 0.1%, 31 calories per 100 mils instead of 24, but it's cheaper and it tastes better. I'm used to the taste, I can use it in my coffee, I can use it in my recipes. I drink a lot of milk, and if I switch to almond milk, either I pay 4 times the price, either way I pay 4 times the price, and I either have a watered down version or a full of chemicals, I don't know what this is, version. So there you have it, that's a quick taste. I do a lot of these in my spare time, I always compare things. I like to make quick taste tests between different brands, so if this is something you're interested in, let me know. It'll be something different. If you guys like it, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel, man, it will mean a lot to me. Hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any videos. Let me know in the comment section below if this is something you're interested in, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!